Digidol, Ysgol, Gymraeg, Bronllwyn. We are Ysgol, Gymraeg, Bronllwyn Digital Heroes.
Ym mis Rhagfyr, dechreuon ni weithio gyda Stephanie o Gymunedau Dysgu Cymru ar y cynllun Arwyr Digidol mwyn helpu bobl yn ein cymuned datblygu eu sgiliau digidol. Cawsom hyfforddiant gan Stephanie a Mrs Halls mwyn cynnal noson o hyfforddiant lle cyflwynom sut i ddefnyddio Google, lluniau, Maps, a Skype, YouTube, a sut i greu cyfrineiriau cryf.
In December, we started working with Stephanie from Learning Communities Wales, and the digital heroes seem to help people in our community develop their digital skills. We received training from Stephanie and Miss Halls in order to hold an evening where we introduce Google Maps and images, Skype, YouTube, and strong password to the community.
On Safer Internet Day, we arranged an online safety evening for parents, the community and governors. We talked about different aspects of online safety from a child's perspective. We've also created posters to advertise the evening, and we tweeted the posters and placed them around the school. We asked Miss Halls and Stephanie from Digital Communities Wales to talk about aspects from more of an adult perspective.
Ar ddiwrnod diogelwch ar rhyngwyd, trefnom noson diogelwch ar-lein i rhieni y gymuned a llwydweithwyr. Siaradwr am wahanol agweddau o diogelwch ar-lein o safbwynt ni fel plant. Hefyd, creuon boster i hysbysebu noson i drydafu a'i gosod o gwmpas yr ysgol. Gyfynnam i Miss Halls a Stephanie o gymuned Diogel Cymru siarad am fwy o agweddau diogelwch ar-lein ond mwy o safbwynt oedolion.
Mae hyn wedi newid eich bywyd mewn ffordd glanhaol.
Mae hyn wedi newid fy mywyd yn ffordd dda oherwydd dwi wedi sylweddoli pa mor bwysig mae hi i gael password cryf. Roedd nawr wedi newid i'r rai gwanaf ac dwi'n hyderus bydd neb yn gallu datrys y password.
Pa rôl werthfawr oedd y profiad i chi?
Roedd y profiad yma'n werth iawn oherwydd mae wedi rhoi fi hyder rydych chi a fi yn gallu sut i bod yn ddiogel ar-lein a hefyd sut i beidio at datgenu gwybodaeth personol ac defnyddio apps gwahanol fel Skype.
How has the training evenings changed your life in a positive way?
I've made my password stronger using the tips that you gave me. I use Google Maps a lot more confidently because before it was just typing in something and hoping for the best. And I use a lot of Google Docs now that I didn't know existed before.
How rewarding were these experiences?
I think knowing that you are confident on the internet and with all of these things, that makes me feel better. Knowing that you are doing so well and having all of this experience.
How has this training evenings changed your life in a positive way?
Well, it's made me more confident to use the internet, doesn't it? I got a much safer password than I ever had before. I think it's a million times safer now than it was before because I tended to use the same password for lots of things and everybody knew my password, didn't they? So they don't know my password anymore and they never ever will. They'll never get it. My problem is remembering my password, isn't it? Yeah? I can Skype now, which I've never tried before. It's like FaceTime, isn't it? So I can have a chat now with my sisters and my mother all at the same time. It's very hard to understand who's speaking though when we're all talking at once, but that was really good.
How rewarding were this experience?
I think they were really rewarding because there was a lot about internet safety that I didn't really know much about before. And as a parent, you tend to feel quite concerned about the things your children are doing that you don't really know about, because we're not from the same generation as you. We're not as good as you on the internet, are we, in using internet safety and things. And I was a bit concerned of the things that they might be able to see that I was unaware of. So I'm glad to know that they've been informed of internet safety, and they're making me more aware of it now. So I'm going to worry quite so much as I probably would have before. Is that okay? And it's been lovely to see their confidence grow as well. Really, really good. And they can help me with things now as well.
Training events change your life in a positive way.
When we came up for the training evening, I didn't know a lot about computers, and this gave me quite a lot of food for thought. Learning safer passwords, which I wasn't aware of, and knowing how much knowledge you have all gained from these evenings.
How rewarding were the experiences?
They're very rewarding, knowing that the children are all gaining a lot more experience, which was something I wasn't able to give them myself, as I am still a beginner in the computer world.